Was that?
हाँ
Hi.
सही लौंडा ये
Harsh rocks.
इसको भी कभी बुलाते हैं पॉडकास्ट में.
Harsh can come on the pod.
He'll have to travel a while though.
You'll have to, yes, it's a long haul up 2 flights of stairs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But speaking of the
What? Speaking of what?
N-bomb,
You can't just fucking speaking of when nobody's speaking of anything, dude.
are you beginning from here? Because you were saying something right before this and I was leading off that.
Literally nobody has been speaking of anything yet.
I'm speaking of something.
Okay, speaking
No.
of,
Speaking of the N-word, apparently these...
this is too much. I feel like I'm going to have to revert to the original setup pretty quickly. Go on.
Yeah. NBA China में भी खेल रहे हैं ना थोड़ा बहुत आजकल some matches, some shit. So there's this, I found this video clip of
What does
this
the N in the NBA stand for?
Nanjing.
I see a lot of black people in NBA and I wonder if it's... Is it that?
No.
No, okay. Sorry, I don't know what the full form is. I'm
N stands for no.
ignorance is bliss.
Right.
So yeah.
I found this thing where
Or at the very least, it's less prone to litigation. If I can plead.
well,
But I feel like in this country, I'm not
Less-
going to get too much shit.
yeah, you will. Depends from the urban elite.
Who gives a fuck what they think?
Not you, clearly. But look, it's this heartwarming video.
A
Actually.
jury of my peers, huh? Is that what you're saying? I'm
Yes.
going to be judged by a jury of my peers.
Yeah, that sounds pretty.
This sounds fucking nuts, right?
Because look at them. Right? Losers.
Loser.
But no, there's this heartwarming video.
Is it this song?
Welcome to Comedy Nights with Kapil Sharma.
Welcome to the Propaganda Podcast.
Totally.
I've just been, the only reason I've got this new setup, guys, is because I wanted to experiment with the fucking soundboard. Soundpad? What is it called? Soundboard?
Sound maxi pad.
No. That's naughty. That's pretty naughty. Pad level ko बढ़ा सकता हूँ मैं. I guess pad level is at 50. How do I fucking... Hello? Okay, half the podcast, by the way, today is going to be me fucking around playing with this shit, and you
Me
will
getting
get
sick and tired of
you'll
it.
get some you'll get some bits and you'll get some talking and conversation and comedy out of this. But I'm telling you up front, I'm laying it bare, laying all the chips on the table, that today I'm going all in on this sound pad situation.
Anyway,
Go on. You were saying something.
nice job, by the way.
Cheers.
Yeah. But I saw this heartwarming video of Chinese audience members catching NBA players outside locations and reminding them to wear their knee guards. Wait.
National Basketball Asians. Is that what it is? Is that
It's
that's what-
nasty basketball Asians. Watch. Watch this. I mean, I appreciate it. that they were-
anyone who is offended by us insulting Asians, clubbing them into the one race,
yeah.
there's,
They were pretty rude right now.
you can't say that there's no reasons.
Yeah.
Correct.
I mean, I appreciate that they were reminding them to wear knee guards, but the get out of China part was uncalled for.
Yeah,
That was not nice.
yeah. That's like that's the same anti-immigration, right-wing trend you see across Europe and America, and now it's come to China also.
And I'm sickened by this rhetoric. We like all the chinks in here,
Yeah,
don't we?
yeah. All
We don't turn
flavors,
up to get out.
all flavors of Chinese.
Yeah.
We're okay with it.
Correct.
Dude, dude, listen, I like a red curry. I also like a Peking duck. And also I fuck with a sushi every now and then.
Correct.
And give me a bibimbap if you're feeling Korean kinky.
Momo?
मोमो खिला दो भाई, तिबेटन खिला दे भाई, ममले खिला दे मेरे को.
Bus?
ममले खा लूंगा मैं.
But these guys, they take it too far.
Yeah,
Unlike us.
I don't like it.
Nice and restrained.
So that was pretty cool. That's cool that China is now beyond political correctness. You know,
TS 1989.
what's that? Tiananmen Square.
Yes.
Can you
Also happens to be Taylor Swift's album
1989?
1989 because that's the year she's born. So people say TS 1989 as Taylor Swift fans when they don't know because Tiananmen Square never happened, right? So it checks out.
Falun Gong. You know the Falun Gong is?
Yes, I have a phallus dong myself. It's kind of impressive, but sure. Cheers.
I'm not taking a risk. I'm putting it on the floor because you never know which
Smart.
placement will get us where. But also, honestly, not smart because you are a bit of a klutz and you may just spill the fucking.
I don't have long legs or anything, don't worry.
What's happening, dude? One
Oh.
nation, one election bill tabled in parliament. One nation, one election? You know what that is?
I understand the premise,
Yeah.
but I don't know the recent news.
Yeah, it's been tabled in parliament. I just saw it on TOI because I just pulled out TOI so that I have something to talk about because I don't really know. But I had a bit of a weekend, dude. Had a bit of a fucking.
I was there for some of it.
Yeah. The event that we were speaking about
Well,
2 weeks ago
Or checked out at 7 in the morning, though.
was pretty tight.
Yeah.
Pretty tight. A raging success. We're probably going to do more of those. But I'm going to have to. No more after parties around here, dude. I'm
Yeah,
gonna have to
I-
fuck.
look, you do it once, you figure out what works, what doesn't, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
You change shit
Yes.
up. Yeah, fine.
Correct. Yeah. Next one's going to be a little bit more
Exclusive.
exclusive.
Mm.
At least the after party. The crowd, the riff-raff can show up and have a good time, and
Then they can riff their
then
raff
they can
out.
fuck off.
Yeah.
Then they can rightly fuck off back home.
Riff their raff is out.
Probably go alone. Probably not get a lady to go home with you, or a dude if you're one of the ladies.
Hmm.
Probably rub one out by yourself alone, and yeah.
And look at the pictures.
And
on
remember,
Instagram.
like, yeah, okay, the event was the highlight. I am a loser. I can't get none. I'm not out here getting shit, you know. I'm not out here slinging dick.
Correct.
But the event was a rager. That's the idea. That's the
That way-
idea. The idea with these events is to make you feel like a piece of shit. Like you can't amount to much.
That's how you pedestalize the event.
Mm.
Because it's like, wow, I can't even achieve the level of greatness that this thing is. It's just like, I suck.
Exactly. Sex sells, right?
I was punching above my league being here.
yeah.
You know, above my weight.
You've heard sex sells, but now no sex, still selling.
No,
Still selling.
just sells. Just
Switch it
sales.
up. The way to get ahead in life is to do what no one else is doing.
Sure. Okay.
बुझ गया ये बुझ गया था तो ऐसे आंखें मत दे मेरे को
Okay.
आंखें खुली हो या हो लर्न
गांड किसी का तो धोना है.
वो बेचुई है ओ यारा ये
हर जगह थोड़ी लागू होगा यार.
तो मैं क्या the problem is that there are these
ये कॉमेडी रिप्लेस मत कर इससे.
the problem is that there are these pre fucking set options here but I can't do anything else to pause can I pause
भाई
I'll play it again
पॉज का पता चला भोसड़ी के 50 मिनट बाद हम गप्पे मार रहे हैं और 10 मिनट में रिकॉर्ड खत्म हो चुका है.
देख ये अब मेरे को थोड़ी सी you got to experiment what are you gonna do no
No, not so much.
trial by fire trial and error
Fire at the trial.
what is up what do we talk about your Chinese thing is funny okay haha what's next top Russian general killed in bomb blast in Moscow
ठीक है फटते रहते वो लोग तो. देख one side of the border the other it's the same fucking shit. Ukraine Russia boring. मैं ये देखा कि थोड़ा political है.
सुना
Political नहीं है. Well, yes. हमारा जो now this is oldish news, but I only found out yesterday. तो मेरे लिए नई खबर है. IPC, Indian Penal Code, CRPC, they've replaced all the repealed and replaced with
भारत न्याय something Sijan.
BNSS.
Yeah.
There's 3 of them.
भारत न्याय संहिता.
भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता
Right.
is the IPC, which absolutely sucks ass as a name.
भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता. Yes, correct.
Yeah,
Okay.
and these sections and मतलब इतने टाइम से चल रहे हैं ये. People know all this crap. They've published the same fucking document again. They've changed the order of some sections. And मतलब ऐसे iconic नाम होते थे कि भाई सेक्शन 377, भाई ऐसे सेक्शन 420, ये तो पॉपुलर वर्नाक्युलर में भी एंटर हो गया ना कि चोरी चकारी को 420 ही कहते हैं. Now that's what 318 or some shit. That's so lame.
The branding is off.
It's terrible.
They should have
BNSS.
Yeah.
BNSS. What cuck fucking sounding law is that?
It's like the new Coke rebrand. It's failed.
IPC, CRPC में थोड़ा खतरा तो है नामों
People
में.
are still holding the old Coke cans and they do not fuck with the new Coke. They're selling old Coke at a premium. You know? So
imagine आपको section 318 BNSS
bro,
के
if you get
धारा.
arrested stealing and the guy is like 318 के अंदर आपको arrest कर रहा हूँ, तो fucking
जा.
thief is gonna be like, bro 420 कर ले या तो मार ही डाल मेरे को.
Right.
Fucking convict me already, bro. I don't want to go to jail for 318. Nobody fucking. You go to jail, you want to be one of the popular kids.
What a number.
The thieves
318.
and crooks out there, they're all convicted on 420. How do you join the clique? Are you going to be one of the 3 or 4 people arrested in the past 2 years under 318? Yeah. That's a shit
Under
show.
the BNSS. BSNL. Some
Right.
fucking telecom networks. I am happy I went to jail when the fucking thing was called IPC. CRPC. वो चार्ज होता है कि भाई ये फिर से वो चार्ज होता है कि भाई
Sorry, आज मैं मूड में हूँ.
कुछ भारी शायद वो तो पता चल रहा है कुछ भारी लागू हुआ है आप पे कि आपके साथ कुछ दुर्घटना घटी है आप आईपीसी के धारा पे ऐसे सीआरपीसी आप पे लगे बीएनएसएस बीएसएन ये सब लगा आप पे क्या होता है ये
Indian Penal Code, it's short, it's sweet, it gets to the point. भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता.
Yes.
It's a mouthful. You know? Why do these fucking companies, they're all shortening. Ernst & Young, it's EY now. It's not even Ernst & Young.
Yeah, and
McCann Erickson is just McCann Group. McCann Worldwide or whatever the fuck.
Yeah.
Why the fuck are you adding more letters?
Rebranding हमने कुछ किया है
मैं बता रहा हूँ, bro, they should have consulted some fucking, they should have consulted Pentagram or some shit for the rebrand. You know? Pentagram is a big design firm. Out in the NYC. They really fucked up. They really fucked up the branding exercise. But this government regularly fails at PR. Their public relations अबे यार मैं बता दूँ क्या? What do you think? Do you think now this fucking CAA and NRC? That's just a branding fuck up. They failed to sell us on the hatred properly. They had to have, you gotta have a 9/11. If you do not have a 9/11, how are you gonna sell the idiots on the Patriot Act?
Yeah.
It's one of those things. You want the NRC, the CAA to make some sense, to be palatable for the urban elite, like we discussed, because the Janta is on board. You know,
Yeah.
so they regularly fuck up the farm bill. अब देख farm bill सबको पता है. It's better to privatize it. Better to privatize it, dude. You don't want to be a fucking 48% agrarian economy in 2024, dude. You know? You got to put these people to better work. You got to put them in fucking garment factories. You got to put them in sweatshops. Make me iPhones. Make me a Zara hoodie. What the fuck are you doing making a Locky to me? I don't want to know Lockies, dude. Fuck off.
Lockies. I think the time for Ghia
Give me
Loki
Air
Tori has
Max.
expired.
Yeah, give me Air Maxes, bro. I want Air Max. I want the fucking Cybertruck built here. Give me a Tata Cybertruck.
Tesla, let's go. No,
Yeah,
Tata.
टाटा साइबर ट्रक.
Tata
मैं बता रहा हूँ,
Cybertruck.
तू जानता नहीं है ब्रो. जेडी कराओ यहाँ पे. तुमने भेजो तुमको क्या खेती बाड़ी में लगा रखा है? I mean, I like the Punjabi music. You know, you on the tractor, you hip hopping. It's cool. I like it. I fuck with it.
So you
But
can keep tractors for hip hop quota.
keep it for show business.
Yeah.
Kheti badi karo for show business.
Doesn't have to be an obsolete
You're
thing.
insane, dude. If you think that, yeah.
कितने music videos अभी भी आ सकते हैं
So
अच्छे से.
everyone is on board with the facts and logic of the farm situation. Everyone is crystal clear. Yes, it's the logical move to make, but they fuck up the marketing. They have this big protest. They let the tractors in, dude. That was fucking nuts.
That was crazy.
That they fucking got to the Red Fort and they hoisted that flag, huh?
Yeah. So just about a year coming up to that.
Is it?
है ना? जनवरी में होता है ये. Farmers protest. Let's go.
30 salgira. Isn't it? It will be 3 years. 2022. it
Ha,
happened,
from
right?
the beginning, yeah.
But that I'm talking about the tractor invasion. Our January 6th.
Yes.
हमारा
yes,
January
yes,
6th था हमारा.
Yes, that's 22, correct.
22.
Was it 21? Was it 21?
It might have been.
I think it was
21.
21, Baba. It was 21.
Okay. I'm phoning a friend to get the lowdown.
ChatGPT.
What's the details on Indian farmers entering the national capital and getting into the Red Fort and stuff?
It sounds like you're referring to. Is there something specific you'd like to know about?
Just say, when did the farmers hoist the Indian flag at the Red Fort? Simple. Or Red Fort.
Yeah, I don't get it. It picks up the fucking smallest. They gotta fix your dude, Mr. Sam Altman. Fix your fucking voice chat. I am not constantly talking. Let her speak the fucking thing and then listen for more. Dumb fuck. His series got locked down, dude. When you're talking to that lady, she's not always like, because if anyone even utters one sound, it will interrupt what it's speaking and then just ask you the next question.
Yeah.
Fuck off.
Too impatient. Maybe you should have a male assistant. You want somebody to be patient and listening and understanding. You gotta change it from the female voice.
21. January 26, 2021.
As I said, 21.
India's Republic Day celebration. Tens of thousands of farmers protested against agricultural reforms. That's a big marketing fuck up. That's a PR fuck up.
Well, not for the farmers.
What else have they got going? So, one nation, one election. Now, how do you sell this shit?
Not how they sold one nation, one rank, one pension. Okay.
What was that? I don't
What
know.
up?
ये क्या है?
One rank, one pension.
बता ना पूरा कहानी बता मेरे को तो एक्रोनिम को खोल के नहीं समझा सकता. What's the
अरे
fucking-
यार ये
what was the deal
देख, अगर
with
मेरे
those?
को पूरी कहानी पता होता तो मैं शुरू नहीं करता उसको.
तो मजाक बना दे कोई जैसे मैंने करा अभी. Who cares? Yeah. Nobody wants the real details. Listen, if they were really interested, they would be looking NDTV or whatever the fuck. Barka that Mojo story वगैरह. जो उसका है ना Momo story.
हाँ, Momo story.
Momo. What the hell is that name? By the way, I don't
I
get
have
it.
no idea.
What the fuck is a Mojo story, dude?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Gets your mojo. I don't know what the fuck it's supposed to do.
Mojo talks or Mojo story, whatever the fuck it is.
Mozo.
Mojo.
Mozo rolling paper नहीं होता है.
उसी का होगा. चर्ची है क्या?
बरखा दत्त तो होगी.
चरसा दत्त.
Lefty Sally. Well, not even really, but sure.
Is she not? Well, she's center left.
Well, yeah, exactly.
So this Congress, I mean, but the center left again is like so far left. I mean, if you look at Western politics, even Bharatiya Janata Party is pretty left. They're
Yes,
redistributive.
if you look at West. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So in India,
On a few fronts, yes.
on a few fronts,
Yeah.
bro, they're only maybe. So they're well, of course, they're socially conservative in the sense that conservatism means being a Hindu or like being very explicitly pro Hindutva. But if you look at any of their economic policies, the first time he got elected was free toilets, dude.
Yeah.
Nobody in the fucking on the right in the West offers free shit.
Yeah.
That's not the fucking free market way to go about it. हर प्राइम मिनिस्टर तो आपको कोई योजना निकाल देते कि भाई इनको नौकरी दो.
Free और market अलग रखते हैं.
By the way, BNSS sounds like some fucking yojana only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
BNSL.
Yeah.
BSNL.
BNSL. dude.
BSNL कानून के अंदर
वो जैसे था ना
आपका फोन कनेक्शन बंद कर दिया गया है
वो था ना
3 साल के लिए.
वो था ना BSDM बिहार सोशल डेवलपमेंट M something fuck dude there was I'll put up
नहीं, ये BSNL ही ठीक है.
BSDM
आप पनिशमेंट्स दे रहे. आईपीसी की माँ की चूत, जेल की माँ की चूत. अब अगर आप चोरी कर रहे हो तो 3.5 साल तक आपका इंटरनेट बंद किया जा रहा है. मतलब they're taking away online privileges from you as a citizen forever. लोगों के लिए यही जेल बन गया है.
Bihar Skill Development Mission, BSDM.
BDSM.
What is BSDM?
Bihar Development Skill Mission. BDSM. Let's go.
That's what I'm saying. You can't fuck up on the acronyms. America does it in a fucking hilarious way. They have the what's it called reverse acronym. Na? They'll have the Patriot Act. अब Patriot पहले निकाल देंगे उसके बाद देखते हैं कि इसका मतलब क्या बन सकता है ना? वो उसके बाद ये करेगा.
वो branding पे focus करते
वो
हैं.
branding focus करते हैं. That's how you sell it to the idiots in the world, dude. If you think anybody is looking past the headline and going into the nitty gritty of the bill and what the fucking rules are and how do you gonna enforce it, you're insane. There is maybe 3% of the intelligentsia in this country that takes notice, and maybe like 7% who report on that as basic reactions, and the rest are just idiots who are swayed by the 7%.
Yeah. Pretty much.
So you gotta sell it. Put Disha Patni in a smexy bikini. Okay.
और तब टॉयलेट फ्री करके देखो.
उसको दिखाओ.
सब झांकने जाएंगे.
हाँ. उसको दिखाओ. शो
सब जाएंगे टॉयलेट की. यार दिशा जी दिख जाएंगी शायद इस टॉयलेट पर.
You put Disha Patni on a tractor heading to her sweatshop job to make iPhones. Everyone is on board. They're like, bro, ये मिलेगी क्या?
Yes.
Correct. That's
Or show her going to fix the prices with the daddy the
yeah.
privatization of the market.
Yeah.
वो दिखाओ. Then they'll be like, यार.
Dude, if I see
अडानी के ऑफिस में.
I see Disha Patni with a couple of eggplants trying to sell. The imagery, sex sells. We've discussed it. Although our party was the antithesis
Antithesis
of that. But in this case, we could sell a Loki and a Disha Patni. Can you imagine the images? I mean, you put it together in your mind,
Nobody wants to sell Lokis anymore.
But Disha Patni,
Don't wanna sell her either.
let's ask her.
Yeah, maybe she wants to.
Madam,
be
are you
sold.
down?
I
Exactly,
mean, that's pretty mansplaining of me to assume that she doesn't want to be sold. Man, anybody can decide their own futures. People sell themselves into work. That's the thing.
That's deep.
Yeah,
Corporate jobs are indentured slavery, etc., etc. Right? That's the take.
correct.
Good take. Ha ha ha.
I love you, Disha.
So my friend brought me some fine vaginas.
Excuse me?
He got me a box of fine vagina.
Is it a cigar called Vega Fina? Nicaragua.
Damn, them niggas got some fine vaginas.
Nicaraguans.
Nicaraguans is what I meant. That's why I said nicker. चाटेगा? ये चाटेगा मेरे साथ?
हाँ मैं खास दूंगा लेकिन ट्राई तो करूंगा.
We are very fine.
Vega Fina.
Fag
ये Aquafina वालों के कजन है.
Yes.
अच्छा.
कोका कोला की है ये.
अच्छा तो ये गला में आग पैदा करते हैं वो पानी देते बुझाने के लिए.
Coca Cola, Nicaragua, you get it. It's the same vibe.
हाँ.
Yeah. Nicaragua, Vega Fina. By the way, I've never had this cigar ever in my life, but I'm excited. All right.
Well.
Vega Fina, Nicaragua. Vega Fina, Nicaragua is a premium cigar handmade from 100% Nicaraguan tobacco. Its leaves are vested two of the best tobacco drinks of the regions of Nicaragua. Jalapa and Esteli have been carefully aged for more than 4 years. Okay, I like it. It has a nice darker wrap. Woody toasted flavor, slightly sweet taste. Coffee, nuts, molasses.
Oh.
Vega Fina Nicaragua es un cigarro premium elaborado a mano con tobacco 100% nicaraguense.
Sí, despacito.
I totally fucked up that Spanish, dog. I fucked it up. Okay, this has been a very medium episode so far. Spice it up, yaar. Kuch kar.
क्या नंगा नाचू है?
Sure.
नहीं. अभी भाई की बॉडी में पंप नहीं आया.
Pump and dump.
नहीं यार. एक सेकंड. मैं देखता है. Never mind. Oh! Two pieces of news from the music world coming
News
to you
segment.
right now. Yeah. Firstly, 12 unreleased Michael Jackson tapes discovered in a California storage unit.
Bro,
And what's interesting to me about this is,
why does it always happen when an artist dies? A couple enough years pass, and then there's undiscovered content comes out, huh?
yeah, I mean, a
Even
lot of it is
didn't they
shady.
just recently release Mozart's unreleased music or something like
Yeah,
that?
some shit like that.
Come on, dude.
There's a
It's
believability that's
150 years later.
और तुम्हें भैंचोद अब तुम अलमारी साफ कर रहे हो तुम्हें अब मारेंगे compositions.
Hello,
Hello,
who's this?
who's this?
Can't talk right now.
Can't talk right now.
Can I call you in? Can you call me in an hour? Can you call me in an hour? You can call me tomorrow also at.
Oh my god, this guy.
कल फोन कर देना 11 बजे.
कौन है भैंचोद?
कल फोन कर देना 11 बजे.
सब भूल रही है.
थैंक यू. थॉमस कुक यार, मेरे को वो फॉरेक्स कार्ड चाहिए था.
Oh. कल फोन करना 11 बजे.
वो बेचारा वो अंग्रेजी में कोशिश कर रहा है बेचारा कॉल सेंटर वाला कि सर कैन आई टुमारो बिकॉज़ ऑफिस इज क्लोजिंग. मैं बोला भाई कल कर दियो. यू नो यू गोट मीट देम हाफ वे डूड, व्हिच इज फुल्ली हिंदी. If I go full tilt there, I'll probably have to shed 40 IQ points. Then I'm on their level. But if you meet them halfway and you speak Hindi, then it's okay.
One of these. Okay, this is interesting. I'll give you a couple of deets on this Michael Jackson unreleased shit. कुछ 12 गाने मिले. And then I'll ask a question. Found in some Van Nuys storage unit, once owned by music producer Brian Lauren. 12 tracks between 1989 and 1991. Includes a song which is a rap duet with LL Cool J as well,
That's
called Truth on Youth.
okay.
A rap duet with LL Cool J showcasing a unique side of Jackson's creativity. Okay, rare find, but legal hurdles one. And this is quite interesting to me. Okay, Michael Jackson estate already says they have the master recordings. They've declined to purchase these tapes and stated that the ownership of the music and rights to release it remain with them. Fine. The tapes cannot be commercially released as a result,
Okay.
limiting their value to private collectors. But the guy who found them, क्या कहते हैं? No, oh, okay. Former California Highway Patrol officer. ठीक है, तो अभी नहीं है. ठीक है. So the guy plans to auction the collection, and then we'll see what happens. But मैं पहले सोचा था ये पुलिस का बंदा कैसे auction कर सकता है. Anyway. तो ये है कि माइका लाल भाई के ऐसे 12 गाने आए हैं. Let's see what happens. They'll leak for sure.
I don't care about
I want to hear the
rediscovered music tapes. I want the Michael Jackson sex tapes released.
क्या पता किसी में ऑडियो हो किसी का.
It's a marketing thing. How do you sell the trust? Of course, there's a Michael Jackson trust, right?
Yeah.
That owns the rights to all his music.
Estate,
How do you the estate, right? But it's probably a trust manages the estate, I guess. Yeah, the trust manager. Anyway, so how do you sell this new unreleased? First, you got to do the sex tapes.
You get some
Elton-
AI Kim Kardashian in there.
You can, dude. You can do it. There's a lot you can do with it if you want to do the AI sex tape route.
You can replace
How
Ray
long
J,
do you think before that's actually happening in political campaigns?
and I bet you Michael's dick is black. Well, they wouldn't have dyed all of him, no. It's just like this white guy with this huge black boner.
You don't think it's more like leukemia and shit? Leukemia बोलते क्या बोलते हैं?
He had
Vitiligo,
gonna put-
vitiligo,
yes.
vitiligo, vitiligo.
vitiligo. I was settling on pronunciation.
Vitiligo.
Yeah.
Is that how you say it?
हाँ वही मुझे नहीं पता था कैसे.
Vitiligo.
Vitiligo. Yeah, so he had that. But yeah, just replace Ray J with Mike J and you're good.
More like gay J.
Well, obviously, if Michael Jackson's there in the video, then Ray will look gay.
मजे नहीं आ रहे. Next.
Yep. मजे नहीं आ रहे नेक्स्ट, ये मैं मेन्यू काढूं बहनचोद? ऐसे तूने बर्गर मंगाया, मैं लेकर आया हूँ ऐसे डबल पैटी टेंडरलॉइन का, मैं टेबल पे रख दिया, तू कह रहा मजे नहीं आ रहे
Until I'm
नेक्स्ट,
enjoying a bit, I'm gonna just fucking.
मजे नहीं आ रहे नेक्स्ट। साले वेटर बना हुआ थे अब तेरे।
Sorry यार, मैं थोड़ा सा बिजी था कल, मैं पूरे दिन भैंचो शूट पे था, I had no time.
Who asked?
So then I'm relying on you, buddy.
Okay,
To be
fine,
entertaining.
fine. You want fucking morbid shit? You want Zakir Hussain मर गया? उस्ताद Zakir Hussain is dead.
No,
अब मजे आ रहे तेरे को? Stupid fellow.
that's good. Can we talk about it?
Yes, of course we could talk about it. The nation is reeling from it.
No,
Apparently.
he's a legend, dude. He's a legend.
The nation is reeling from it in the way that nobody talks about anybody for 50 years, and then when they die, it's like everybody's posting on their Instagram about him. I hate that phenomenon.
Why do you hate it?
It's just so.
But it's so natural, dude. People will achieve the zenith of their fame and cultural relevance, and then of course there's a dip. And but then when you die, you still want to remember them for when they were that person, right? When they were fucking slinging dick, when they were fucking pumping and dumping.
फोन से उतरेगा?
मैं आगे देख रहा हूँ. जसप्रीत बुमराह, third test, India's tail wags. What more do I have to see? Frustrated Prithvi Sharma. 10 unsettling bird sounds.
Bird sounds.
10 unsettling bird sounds, not just one.
10 unsettling bird sounds. Most bird sounds are unsettling. The ones that don't sound like song.
बांग्लादेश में इलेक्शंस हो रहे हैं.
Who cares? Bangladesh barely cares, bro.
Oh, 17, a teenage boy was found chopped up by a tractor and his pieces buried all over, etc., etc.
This is why we need to keep the farmers in check.
We've been saying it, dude.
fucking tractors में क्या क्या हो रहा है देखो, मतलब बेचारे मोदी जी, अडानी जी वगैरह वगैरह, they are trying so hard to stop these tractor related deaths.
Raj Kundra and Shilpa Shetty's 15th wedding anniversary.
Didn't they divorce?
15th wedding anniversary photo.
50th?
15th.
I thought they divorced.
Nahi. But he did get caught up in some sex thing, no?
Yeah.
Some porn shit, huh?
And some affair, I believe, if I'm not wrong.
What
I
do you
guess
think?
he's a rich businessman, so.
No, but that's what I'm saying. What do you think? The affair was also news to Shilpa, or was it just news for the news? Some of these. Listen,
Shilpa didn't tell me.
you gotta have an arrangement, dude. At that level, dude, you know, because you get it. You get it. Pussy's just a pussy, dude. Doesn't mean love, you know? Like I'm only married to one pussy, but I'm gonna enjoy a buffet. Le buffet de poussoir.
Oui, monsieur.
Le méridien. Le méridien. Le méridien.
ये मैं फुदिया?
ले मेरिडियन जब जाते हैं ना लोग, तो और क्या मिलता है वहां पे? It's pretty good.
Isn't this crazy?
It's pretty good tobacco.
Have you ever seen me smoke a cigar
No, but
properly
I've seen it
before?
now. Dude, it's a fine vagina. That's why you're smoking it.
That is my type.
Correct.
Cannot lie.
We know you're a hound.
So it wasn't my fault ever. It was the cigars.
This
It was all
was the wrong brand.
Is
We
it
come back to the topic.
it was these penis type cigars you were giving me the whole time.
You tell me you want me to suck on a cigar called My Father? Bruv, even though that's one of my favorite go-tos is My Father. But now that I think about whether I want to be sucking on a fine vagina or my father's
No, it's of course.
stog.
It's because you love your dad, and I took solace in vaginas to fill the void. So it makes sense. Listen,
It actually
that's why this works for me. That works.
it all
for you.
boils down to childhood trauma, right?
There we
Yeah,
go.
Freud was so right.
This
It's
is
all-
so nice.
It is
actually.
it's very tasty. Yeah. Go for it. Thank you, Reed. Reed, I love you, bro. My boy Reed brought it for me. So.
Reed and Taylor.
उसका नाम हृदय है, but वो
Reed
अमेरिका में रहता है तो
the
उसको वो Reed.
Reed, he's here.
Yeah.
Oh, I did text him. He said always a good time in India. I thought he was talking about when he comes to India. I didn't know he
yeah.
was here.
He landed yesterday. He spent the night and then he fucked off today. He's out in Kolkata for a wedding, for a
Nice.
wedding reception with his family. But then he will be back on the 28th or something. And since my plans have now evolved and I probably am not stepping out for New Year's, it's the first time in 3 years that I will be, unfortunately, I will be in this city.
Fuck you, by the way.
What?
चलते हैं हम तीनों.
चलेगा क्या?
प्लान बनाया.
देखो जाना है क्या?
मैं सोचा हम चलते हैं, बट ठीक है. वो रिभू को भी जाना है. तो मेरे को कह रहा है सुखी के बिना चलते हैं. मैं चल लूंगा, लेकिन तू चलेगा तो मुझे अच्छा
मैं एक चीज कंफर्म करता हूँ, मेरे को लगता है बुकिंग आई है एक्चुअली, कल ही आई है शायद, मेरे को कंफर्म
रूल आउट ही कर दे.
I think it has to be ruled out because I don't want to be there when the other guests are taking up the other cottage, dude. You know, it's fine. There's separate cottages, but I don't. Where is it? Madnest. That's the name. Yeah, it's called Madnest. 31st December. Yes, there are guests. So actually, good. Listen, Babaji came to my rescue.
वाओ. तो क्या करेगा न्यूज़ पे? बैठा रहेगा अपने कंबल में चुपचाप.
Most likely, I will fuck off somewhere. I'm not gonna let you. I can't let you guys know because then you'll fucking figure out a way to just loop.
Okay, so you know
I
me.
know that I'll be looped in.
Okay, so you don't want to even hang with the lads. तू अकेला होना चाहता है. Okay, तेरे को मेरा पता है ना, मेरा तो मैं थोड़ी पहुंचूंगा कहीं. मेरे फाइनेंस नहीं, कब तुम लोग गाड़ी में ले जा रहे हो और तो मैं आ रहा हूँ, ऐसे कुछ वो नहीं है. तो तू ऐसे कुछ करेगा, जा तू पैसे का. मैं तो ऑलरेडी आउट हूँ. तू मेरे से क्या घबरा रहा है?
प्लेन टिकट लेनी है, ट्रेन बस की टिकट लेनी है. मैं नहीं
जा
रहा ब्रो. 400 रुपए पागल बैठा हूँ मैं जो मैं
और 500 रुपए पर नाइट भरूं मैं. पागल हो गया भोसड़ी के. फ्री में करा रहा तो बता. चलते हैं, बैठते हैं पहाड़ में ऐसे वगैरह वगैरह. लेकिन घर पे ऐसी बेइज्जती हो जाएगी. मैं घर पे बोल के
I'm not necessarily sure that I want to just stay in. I am also like, you know, because like I actually just hate. I
just hate people. I just hate the crowd.
Can you let me fucking finish, dude?
Sure,
I'm saying I also get sick of the same thing. So now that I've spent 3 years outside, I'm bored. I want to switch it up also.
और मैंने तो कभी नहीं किया ना. मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम होता है तो तेरे न्यू आता ना मेरे साथ.
नहीं वो नहीं करना मेरे को actually. Yeah, I sort of want to fucking figure it out. Let's see what we do. I'm leaving it up to chance. I'll take a roll as a roll of the dice. Let's see what happens. Let's see. No commitments. How about you guys? What's your plans for New Year's? Well, you can't talk to me, so sorry. Don't bother answering that question. But तेरे दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है? What's the plans for the end of the year? How's things
भोसड़ी
shaping
के
up?
अभी तक तो 1.5 घंटे पहले तक तो यही चल रहा था.
Okay.
तो अभी कोई नया प्लान नहीं बनाया मैंने.
Sorry,
पिछले
it's
आधे घंटे
Google.
में.
I changed my mind, bro. Sorry, I'm so sorry about that. But actually, now I changed my mind, and then somehow other people are also then here, so we can't make it happen. We can't go.
Cool.
Okay, we bored our audience to death again. I'm just not. You know,
कोई
I've not
बात
get the
नहीं.
laughs in.
हम यार
I've not been getting the laughs in this app, so I just keep lamenting on how it's not good.
सही जा रहा है.
That's
नंबर
good.
1. नंबर 2, तेरे को तू साउंड बोर्ड पे कर नहीं रहा. वही तो.
I realize it's worthless because I can't be constantly monitoring.
20
You
मिनट
know,
के
you need
बाद-
like a podcast producer who does this shit.
मतलब किसी को बिठा दो साइड में.
Oh, we could,
हर्ष को बिठा सकते हैं एक टाइम पे.
but chalo, I guess I'll have to fucking think about it. Maybe I'll take some time off the night when I'm traveling.
हाँ,
next
न्यू
week.
ईयर्स पे जाके ऐसे अलोन होके सनसेट पे बैठ के देखें. पॉडकास्ट के टाइम में रखूं एक बंदे को साइड में. मतलब these are the questions you want to explore alone.
Dude, it's the deep philosophical thoughts that shape the vision for this podcast. Okay, you will not understand because you're never there mentally. How will you relate?
लोड़ा. चल वाइन पिला. कह के मैं ही झुका हूं बोतल उठाने के लिए.
तू पिला दे मेरे को. एक ही बात है, मैं तुझे पिलाऊं, तू मेरे को पिलाए. It's all going back to the source code.
करेक्ट. पिला दे दीवानी मैं हूँ जिसकी. I'm a bad girl, दे लंचुस्की.
ये क्या गाना है? तू पहले भी गा चुका है मेरे को.
It's a bad girl, I like whiskey.
What song is this?
ये यार
Who sang it? Who's the singer?
मैं मूवी बताता हूँ, रुक जा. वो मूवी है ना सोनू की टीटू की स्वीटी.
अच्छा, वो उसमें नुसरत भरूचा है ना?
हाँ, तो वही तो गा रही है. मतलब
पीस है वो औरत.
हाँ, वो प्लेबैक सिंगर नहीं, बट वही तो गा रही है पिक्चराइजेशन में.
Payback singer.
बट क्या शायरी है इस लाइन में भी.
फिर से सुनाइए, मेरे को लाइन नहीं याद.
ओरिजिनल वाली मेरी वाली.
तेरी वाली.
ओह,
Original.
मेक अप योर फकिंग माइंड.
I made it up now.
पिला दे दीवानी मैं हूँ जिसकी I'm a bad girl दे लंचुस्की
That's not the original, right?
पिला दे दीवानी मैं हूँ जिसकी I'm a bad girl I like whiskey
पिला दे दीवानी हूं मैं जिसकी.
हाँ पिला दे दीवानी मैं हूँ जिसकी
अच्छा.
अबे उर्दू में ऐसे
अच्छा,
एक्टिव
अच्छा.
वॉइस पैसिव वॉइस में खेला खेलते हैं ना
अच्छा, okay, okay,
तू
okay.
नहीं समझेगा
मेरे को नहीं समझ आता ये सब.
मैं पहाड़ पे बैठ के सनसेट देखते हुए ये सोचता हूँ कि लैंग्वेज को वॉइस कैसे बदले एक्टिव
मैं
पैसिव
तो बता तेरे को पता है, लेकिन मैं ज्यादा वोकल्स वाले गाने सुनता ही नहीं हूँ. मैं कम unless it's metal, which I mean like, and then hip hop every now and then, right? But like sing songy, I do actually. By the way, have been. I've been listening to. Do you know this guy called Gabriel? Not our friend Gabriel, yaar. Not the guy who's fucking-
एंजल गैब्रियल पीटर गैब्रियल
Gabriel's. Have you heard this EP?
No.
I feel like you would enjoy this music. I'm going to share it with you.
No vocals.
Sorry?
Instrumental.
No, it is vocals. I've been enjoying vocals. That's why I got here. Is because although I don't typically listen to a lot of singing, I have been enjoying this guy. This guy's music. Sorry.
I was enjoying some guy or the other. Didn't you ask Ishwar if you could suck his dick today?
Nahi.
No? Oh, okay, yeah, you can deny anything in the podcast. Correct.
No, I didn't.
Well, yeah. He didn't.
It's only when he said. Because he's not here. The other guy is not here.
He said.
He said. अब तो she's है ही नहीं भाई. अब तो ईश्वर को शिव बनानेगा. That's disrespectful, dude.
Why?
Because I don't know if he's come out to the world yet. I mean, we know
Oh.
internally,
Yeah, that's
but
not good of us. I mean, it's not like we've exposed any of our other friends ever on the podcast, any other best friends of Ishwar, anything. We've never said anything about anyone.
no, we haven't never had to remove an episode entirely
Correct.
because we offended one of our close friends so deeply
Yeah.
that he was.
Should we put that up and mute that part? The part that we didn't do. The episode that we never did and deleted.
There's no point. There's no point re-uploading that one, or like even. Well, it's actually. I don't know if it's deleted. I think it's just unlisted. I think it's private. It's just set to private. I could enable it, but I don't know why I've reserved that fucking nuclear option. Just
For the passage of time when things don't matter.
who knows? Who knows 5 years down the line if I'm talking to my friend or not, dude? And then episode 5, by the way, that's the fucking episode we're talking about.
Yeah.
Where we used to have just the one camera that only recorded up to 30 minutes, and then it used to go off, and then
We used to do it again.
we used to do it again, and we had some fucking stupid fucking transition
Wow,
in the middle.
look how
Oh my
far we've
goodness,
come.
Jesus Christ, this past year of fucking just talking into a mic like a retard.
Look how far we've
Fuck me.
Look how far we've
For
come.
what? I mean, seriously. No, but I enjoy, I just like, honestly, I enjoy this.
This journey is insane. Look how far we've come through only our sheer hard work and Uncle's bank account. It's great.
भोसड़ी वाले सारा काम मैं करता हूँ
वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ.
तू आगे सर खाता है मेरा बस but soon yeah the okay also guys, the intern we hired left.
Yeah. Didn't we mention this before?
I don't think we have.
Oh my God. That left a huge hole in our hearts. I never met
Yeah,
him, but I felt like he was.
He did chop up a good reel. I think people enjoyed it on the internet, but he had to leave, so I have a whole new batch of interviews lined up for tomorrow evening.
Okay.
Not lined up yet. They have confirmed they were on board. कल मैं भेज दूंगा उनको link.
I thought another reel would have been cut from that episode. I didn't expect from Family Man that was the reel. I thought the family discussion, the sitcom family in that, I thought that would be a reel.
But I think we decided on a different one.
There doesn't have to be just one.
Two total decide की थी उसने सारे. He went through the whole pod. He outlined the bits he thought were good, and I selected the other two because that was such a long thing for it to actually then
Be in a
deliver
reel,
on the joke. We would have to compromise too much on for the reel.
Yeah, okay. Makes sense.
Yeah.
A good bit though. No truth in it at all, obviously.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Culture? Anything in the culture? What's happening?
Other than basketball players getting racially insulted in China, Muslim Pandit Zakir Hussain dying, Ustad, sorry. And whatever the fuck else we've been talking about. I don't know if the culture's done this much this week. Has it
Ustad
cultured?
Zakir Hussain Tabla.
Yes.
I like it.
He has kicked the bucket, unfortunately.
How old was he?
73. It was pretty lit.
It's not the worst.
It's not the worst, yeah. But for me, I look at it and I'm like, nah, man, you should have done better. If I can go to the gym 4 times a week, you would have lived 20 years more.
Mm.
You know?
Yeah.
So if he had some gains, just might have gained a couple of years.
Mm.
Yeah.
I see the argument.
Yeah.
But some people like to argue that, you got the best years behind you. You might as well check out. Head to the next one. Head to the respawn.
In which you might come back as a cockroach or a frog or something. Like, who the fuck knows your cycle of rebirth? You're not always born as a human. It depends on your karma.
It depends on how you,
Your cycle of rebirth keeps going on and on until
Yeah,
and unless you get moksha.
84 lakh births.
Something, yes. But
It's a good
until you
84
attain...
lakh.
something like that.
Yeah, you go through various life forms.
No, but it doesn't cap at 84. It's something until you attain moksha. Otherwise, you're stuck in the cycle for however
You
long the
don't,
universe is.
no. You cycle through 84 lakh births between human forms as different animals. To attain moksha, though, I think you have to achieve a level of enlightenment. It's
And
not.
पुण्य का घड़ा something.
हाँ, तो वो अलग होता है भाई. वो अलग सीन है.
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ जब तक मोक्ष नहीं होता तब तक आप वापस आते ही रहते हो. वही तो कह रहा हूँ.
हाँ, बट मैं कह रहा था, अच्छा मैं तो 84
तू कह रहा है
लाख
84 लाख पे खत्म होता है.
नहीं अब कहानी क्या है. कहानी शायद ये है कि 84 लाख बर्ड्स पे अपन तुम वापस दूसरा ह्यूमन का चांस मिलता है एक और, कि अब तुम शर्मा जी के बेटे हो, that kind of thing.
तू ये कह रहा है to become a human again you need to go through 84
Correct.
lakh birth
Yeah.
cycles. बहन चोद नहीं यार. कितने लोग तो भाई ओम शांति ओम देखिए तूने. ओए
अबे वो
ओम शांति ओम
in
देखिए तूने.
Hinduism, the concept of 84 lakh births refers to the idea that a soul must pass through 8.4 million life forms or yonis before it can achieve spiritual liberation. Achha, so it's not back to human form.
हाँ.
It's spiritual liberation. In Hinduism, the soul or jiva is
Moksha.
assigned a body based on his past karma in each birth. So the jiva's journey through life and death involves many births and rebirths. Yonij and ayonija.
But yoni, isn't that the yoni? Don't they use as vagina as well? Isn't that the
Organisms that are produced by the union of two living beings are called yonij, while organisms that develop on their own are called ayonij.
Yeah, because lingam or yoni ka jo union hota hai, it's essentially
Nahin. It is said in the Padma Puran that when a soul completes the prescribed 84 lakh yonis, secret of 84 lakh yonis, and its deeds are also good, then it attains Pitra or Dev yoni. I think yoni just means form.
that's
Prescribed 84 lakh yonis, right? With this, the free form, she becomes free from many births and goes to Vaikuntha Dham.
yeah, that's Vishnu's
The fuck is a yoni, bro?
digs. Vishnu's digs is Vaikunt.
Acha?
Yeah, that's where he chills. You know, like have you seen the image of like the river or the sea on which he's on the lotus and he's just chilling with his leg up and whatever, and the snake is hanging around and
Taj Lake Palace, Udaipur.
Vaikunt Dham. Correct.
Yes, yoni is a Sanskrit word that holds significant meaning in Hinduism, Buddhism, Tantra. It primarily refers to the female reproductive organ and symbolizes divine feminine energy, Shakti, fertility, and the source of life. In spiritual and cultural contexts, the yoni is often worshipped as a representation of the goddess and cosmic creation.
I told you vagina.
Poussoir. Le buffet de poussoir.
À la piscine. Have you ever been here though?
Yoni. I've been to a bunch of yonis.
The Taj Big Phallus.
Yes. Taj Big Phallus is pretty tasty.
Yeah?
Taj's Big Phallus is a pretty tasty joint. Bro, that's fucking nuts. It's already down to fucking just the one last battery for an hour of recording.
This thing is shit.
Yeah, this is fucking shit. I don't know.
Throw it out the window.
It's no, I can't throw it out the window. I actually need for other work. I just
The window is also not open.
मैं तो primarily इस बकचोदी के लिए किया था.
कितनी बार वही बहनचो गिटार रिफ बजाएगा, कुछ नया साउंड डाल. ये तो कॉमेडी नाइट विद कपिल वाला.
4 उन्होंने प्री प्रोग्राम्ड दिए हैं. अब अगर इसमें मैं कुछ
Hello,
why did
mummy.
it trip out over there? Why is the piano tripping out?
Glitchy. Glitch.
It does say piano LX something. It's got
Yeah.
ellipses, electronic piano. But
What's the
this is the
fourth?
only reason huh?
What's the fourth sound? That's just a longer. Yeah. Hello, guys. Welcome back.
Welcome back to the show.
Mm.
Brought to you by Fine Vaginas.
Straight from Nicaragua.
Got the niggas in Raqqa, and I'm going vaginas.
Get out of China.
Consistent. At least we've been consistent
Correct.
with the Nicaraguans. And it's been a bit of a branding heavy episode. We like the branding aspect today, huh?
Yeah, we're all about that material life. We have 84 lakh births to attain enlightenment. Why do we need to do it immediately? तब देखा जाएगा ना मोक्ष मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा.
Yeah, what if I'm just on fucking birth number 2, dog?
What if this one life? Let me be a bastard.
Yeah, how can you judge me on the
Let me get cancelled 4 or 5 times. Listen,
Yeah,
you
sure.
have one life to live,
Let
and
me
then 84 lakh others.
let me fall. I'll get back up.
Yeah,
That's how it is.
fall 7 times, stand up 84 lakh.
Correct.
That's what they say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, if out of 84 lakh births, if I'm even a criminal for 27 lakh of them, that's still the majority of my lives have been pretty good.
Yeah.
So I have 27 lakh attempts at being an absolute menace to society, and I should be forgiven because
50 lakh times you're going to be
57
great.
more lakh,
Yeah.
57?
Yeah,
57, 57 lakh births later, I'm going to be one with God, dude.
You're going to be the next Jesus Christ.
This is why I like, like when fucking Luigi Mangione, he should be forgiven. He's probably on his like 20th birth.
Also because he's hot. He's
Right.
probably got a lot of good karam there as well.
Mm.
He's probably helped out a lot of ladies and stuff.
Apparently, he was a sugar daddy, dude.
He was a sugar daddy. Well, there, see, he's a charitable person.
This black guy, wrote this thing about how, Luigi used to come, he used to buy me bags. He knew I like the fine shit. He used to buy me Fendi and all of that. Luigi was loaded, no? This guy was loaded. Yeah, he had a sugar baby. Some guy out in Baltimore.
Nice.
They met at some Baltimore club.
Well,
And
he
was
did
like,
swing both
he knew how to
ways.
treat me nice. He knew I liked the nice things. There's an article about it.
Wow.
Is that what happened with his back? His back got blown out by some black guy.
Maybe that's what his. Maybe that. The reason breaking now, the reason the United Healthcare CEO is dead is some black guy who just couldn't rein it in.
Is this the new AIDS crisis? Back pain.
Black pen?
Back pain.
Wow.
Is back pain the new AIDS crisis?
I don't know, man. Depends how many CEOs will they murk for it. I suppose that's the real measure.
Haven't the gays had enough
Of what, particularly?
of being persecuted?
Not where I thought you were going with that. Okay, sure.
Yeah. Can't they have fucking... can't they just blow their backs out in peace without being associated with this fucking... clearly, guy who's given up on society and turning into a killer? Right? I don't think you can blame homosexuality on this guy's predicament.
Arguably, he probably didn't blow his back out enough because he could have rendered him crippled. He didn't. Had he done that, he wouldn't have been able to execute.
Exactly. The man shows restraint and you target him for it?
That's terrible, actually.
It's pretty fucking nuts, dude.
This world is shit. How people treat people, it's a back-on-back crime.
And it's never spoken about.
Yeah.
All you hear is gun control.
All you hear is gun.
What about land control? You gotta have land control, dude.
They only got buns control. Where's my free the nipple?
We need land control.
Where's my free the nipple? It's all about buns control.
We need land control legislation.
Yeah.
I gotta have an ID. You gotta do a background check before someone can sling the dick into my back.
And deregulate buns while you're at it, please.
Yeah, free the nipples.
Some of these ladies want to just go out. Let them fucking do it.
Bun control and lung control.
Bun uncontrolled.
Under control.
Uncontrolled. Buns are too under control. They need to be deregulated.
Blunt control.
लंड कंट्रोल तो जरूरी है.
तू तो नहीं होता.
मेरे से हो जाता है और लोगों से नहीं होता. And blunt control kind of sucks.
I don't know, man. I'm on the way out again.
Do not talk to me. Do not fucking start. Always, I'm sick and tired of you. Actually,
It's only been
मैं
since
शुरू
May.
कर रहा हूँ. मैं छोड़ रहा हूँ. मैं शुरू कर रहा हूँ. मैं
It's
छोड़ रहा हूँ.
only been since May of this year that this has been the case. My bit of a back and forth. But I'm pretty sure it's on the way out. I've had it. I'm bored with it. I'm fucking bored. I keep going on and off the devil's lettuce. Why is that? Because my brain is confused. It's a bit confused.
It's only the second time I've heard this month.
Second time this month.
Yeah.
नहीं.
Or was it 3 times in November?
It was like हर एक 1.5 महीने बाद मैंने करा है for the past वो कह रहा हूँ पिछले 5-6 महीने में मैं 2-3 बार उठा के छोड़ चुका हूँ, ठीक है. But you have to consider that this is now 12 years into a habit where 2 years I was before May was off that shit. And I'm bored. It's more that I get bored. You know, the same way I'm bored of just skipping town for New Year's. I'm just bored of token and smoking.
No, I see what's happened.
Yeah.
I see what's happened. तेरे cigar आ गए. Now you think you're better than everyone else. So you'll just like, मैं तो guys only cigar पीता हूँ. ऐसे office पे तो ऐसे time pass करते हुए. I don't do other smokies.
Are you going to seriously
Yes,
put
very seriously.
pot and fine
Kettle?
vaginas in the same league? I don't think so.
They're often found in the same league location. Whatever.
Is that where you pick up your ladies in the toilet?
What kind of pot? Oh my god! I hate you.
Like I love you.
Oh god.
तेरी
please.
गांड में भर दिया कीमानान तेरी गांड में भर
Yeah,
दिया
actually,
कीमानान.
Quit today. Please do the world a favor.
I grate you.
You've got it stuck in my fucking head.
I grate you like a kaddu.
I grate you like a kaddu, kaddu, kaddu. हमने क्या बनाया था अभी पॉड से पहले? कौन सा गाना था?
I forget. No clue.
वो मामले
वो
झाटे कोई ना चाटे
ठीक है सिंगारने ओ
घुसा दे लंबी लंबी तलवारें लंबी लंबी तलवारें
Please be advised. Mature content.
तलवारें
Don't try this at home.
घुसा दे Oh,
This is not endorsement. The Propaganda Podcast does not endorse anything.
Oh, लंबी लंबी तलवारें घुसा के तो बढ़िया बढ़िया.
Parental advisory. Parental advisory.
Great song made by this Pakistani Atif Aslam.
Ooh.
I love you.
Boo.
Yeah.
Boo
Anti-national.
Pakistan. Boo.
Boo Pakistan. क्या आर्टिस्ट है यार.
Bangladesh में finally they're hosting elections. Buddy, wrong side, buddy. You see the band right there, bruv?
साले हाथ जी जला दिया देखो कितना मिसट्रीट करता है मुझे.
But actually, you're not wrong. Maybe the cigars do have something to do with my decision. But actually, this is the first one I'm smoking. I only got the box yesterday.
हाँ आज खत्म करते हैं यार फिर बात कर.
डब्बा पागल है क्या तू?
पागल है क्या तू?
It's so much
अबे
tobacco.
पागल है क्या तू?
It's so much
सारी सिगार एक दिन पे फूक जाएगा. पागल है क्या तू?
It's so much tobacco, dude. You could probably not even do it, dude.
देख अगर तू मुझे चैलेंज करेगा तो मैं चूतिया थोड़ी कि हर चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट करता फिरूंगा. मेरे माथे में क्या लिखा है साले?
टमाटर.
ये तो कास्टिस्ट चीज है, ये तो बोल नहीं सकते.
Oh,
इसको हटाना पड़ेगा. करेक्ट.
कास्टिस्ट है क्या?
कास्ट है लेकिन यूसेज उसका कास्टिस्ट बन जाता है. हाँ.
चमन.
चूतिया.
Exactly. Okay, let me find one last spicy bit, and then you fuck off. Okay.
कौन है बे?
कौन है मैं उड़ गई?
कौन है बे?
कौन है मंचुत?
कौन है भाई?
ओए
बूटी बुटालिया.
She's rubbing up against me and shit.
Who? I already gave her treats. She's already got her treats.
Oh,
for the day.
she's just being greedy.
Yeah.
वाओ, ये तो स्पिन भी कर रहे हैं म्यूजिक के साथ.
Welcome to Vidru Brutalia's appearance. I've got a soundboard on the Zoom now, and we played a jazz track. Huh?
You can let's hook up the thing to it.
That stream deck I've given to Vinu already. वो मैंने उसको दे दिया. लेकिन ये इसमें there's pre-programmed, there's a couple of fucking tunes that I could play.
Dude, I'll find you great soundboard clips. You won't know where they're from, but you'll appreciate.
We don't need to know. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a need to know basis, and I don't.
How about China will grow larger.
Oh, I like that.
China has been generous.
Woo! I like those.
We like China.
Give them to me. But I'm also already disenchanted with this whole thing.
China.
Yeah, this dabba, not China. Fuck off.
What is
This
that exactly?
this is a Zoom H8. I've been using this instead of the Audient.
That's okay.
So it's a remote recorder. It's a remote recorder as opposed to, and I can record directly onto this as opposed to plugging the audio interface into Logic.
You're still making these?
Yeah, no, this is from 4 years ago that I have this.
Okay. You and I both had one of these in like.
In school,
Yeah.
in school. Yes, yeah.
iPod के साथ bro, iPod touch के साथ तीन लोग अपने headphone लगा डालते थे. And the volume would go down.
Yeah.
Oh, good times.
How's it going?
Fuck yeah,
और भाई
so overcome with anxiety. I spent all day in bed, and then now it's like D-Day. Fucking, I gotta work non-stop till about 8 a.m. tomorrow.
Rid got me a box of fine vaginas.
Oh, love it. Did he get me some cigarillos or some Starburst? I messaged
You can have some from here.
cigarillo.
नहीं है भाई.
Wow, yeah. I thought he was gonna be there for Saturday when you were talking to him on the phone.
नहीं, he had to come. He was already booked his tickets. He came last night. He came in the day, spent the night, and then
By the
fucked
way.
off today again.
Friday evening my place.
इसका birthday है. You have to.
मेरा बर्थडे है. मेरा बर्थडे है.
तेरा birthday अभी आया था.
अबे साल में एक ही बार आता है.
Last month or something.
वो रिशु था. वो दूसरा चूतिया है पॉडकास्ट वाला.
I know when Rishu's birthday was. It's 4 days before my birthday.
हाँ तो मेरा तो
इसका नहीं.
मेरा ऐसे ही इससे डिसमिस करे क्या जूनियर है तो क्या बर्थडे भी कैंसिल कर
पुलिस ने
देगा.
पकड़ा इसका birthday.
मैं मम्मी को बता
ये
दूं
साला
मेरा बर्थडे
second-
अभी आया था. बंद करो सारी
ये
तैयारी.
साला second birthday मना रहा है. भैंचो, और he's trying to sneak a party past you. You know, like you don't know
Yeah.
better.
I guess I'll have to buy you 2 gifts then.
Like you don't know better.
अरे
I don't know why he's thinking he already had a birthday party.
मेरे को गैस लाइट हो रहा है.
हाँ?
भाई ने मेरे को ही गैस लाइट कर दिया. मैं अपनी पार्टी कैंसिल करूं.
कर दे.
अब
No,
क्या ही
will
रहे-
show up anyway. You might as well save face.
वो अब अगर क्या ही रहा है तो मेरा बर्थडे.
You might as well save face and not fucking embarrass yourself.
Yeah, that's the move.
Woo!
For audience context, Vidur said, "Why don't we save some ass?" Ass. Saviors. Saving ass. Every day. Every night. Every day. Every night. Saving ass.
ठीक है, तुम लोग कभी बताते तो हो नहीं, but एक वो बता देना if the soundboard is worth it. And then I'll invest some time and energy into making it a more refined experience. But today you must have, this is just, like I said, it's a trial by fire. And
Except for the half an hour in between where you completely forgot to use it. Yeah. Other than that. So if you made it in through the first 10 minutes and then the next 30 minutes without the sound thing and came to the end where you heard it again, तो फिर बता देना guys कि ये पूरा experience कैसे था इस podcast का with this sound box pad card shit involved.
what do you want? I honestly had so much work today that a bunch of it got derailed. But
नहीं बता मुझे तू विला होता कब है?
नहीं होता, मैं क्या करूं, चाहता
तो
क्या
फिर
हूं?
ये रोना बंद कर. I had so much work today. I had so much work today. Actually, I'm on my phone because I got to work calls. I had so much work today. I had to do this. मैं कल शूट से आया हूँ ना रात को ऐसे. भाई ये तेरी जिंदगी है. रोना बंद कर बेंचोद.
नहीं, but ऐसा होता है कि there are times where I can actually, develop the content required for the podcast, and I have the, at least that hour or two to ruminate, look at the world events. Oh, the drone sighting, the fucking UFO shit in New Jersey. Did you see that?
भाई
That's some big shit, dude. 8 by 10 feet large drones all over New Jersey, and people are just fucking, like, some of them are shooting them down. Donald Trump had a funny fucking tweet about it. And they're basically saying, "Oh, this is like this is the standard UFO sighting," But apparently, so these drones, they escaped radar detection because they gave zero heat signature.
how did they fly with zero
Exactly, they would give
fucking
not giving-
aliens
मैं बता रहा हूँ कुछ लोचा है भाई यहाँ पे. एक सेकंड.
aliens बेटे aliens
DJ Tree का don't tweet was fucking hilarious. Hold on.
बहुत हो गया. कितना झूठ बोलेंगे हमें कि aliens नहीं है aliens गाय का दूध नहीं पीते. How long are we gonna hear all these lies of society?
Dude, what is that DJ Tree drone tweet? Where he said shoot them down or something. He wrote shot them down, whatever the fuck.
Oh, did I send you that thing? I found a good thing on somewhere on from Naked Capitalism, obviously, of a deleted Twitter thread that showed what the drones actually are.
What are they?
They're basically
मेरे को भेज.
these highly specialized drones that I'll find it and send it to you. I tell you the gist of it.
Mystery
Yeah,
drone.
yeah, bata.
Donald Trump. Mystery drone sightings all over the country.
Huh?
Can this really be happening without our government's knowledge? I don't think so. Let the public know, and now. Otherwise, shoot them down. DJT.
Man has just asked me, by the way, if we are recording. नहीं हम ऐसे कैमरा ऑन करके माइक ऑन करके ऐसे घूरते हुए बात करते हैं.
तू बैठेगा?
We've been recording the whole
Give me
time.
the drone thing.
Yes.
Come, give.
Put it back in the thing. I don't like it when you hold it with your hand.
Okay.
So obviously it's not confirmed. Firstly, the large number of sightings are because people in New Jersey are retards. They've started looking at everything in the sky and going, "Oh my
it's a
god,
drone sighting, a
it's
drone."
a drone."
Some of them were just
rundown
planes.
of like dude, all of those random sightings were just planes. Someone was like, "This plane doesn't look like any plane I've ever seen," and someone replies to it on Twitter with a photo of the bottom of the plane looking identical. Cessna Citation X.
Right.
But there was a not a military insider, but a tech insider who was saying the original description of the drones matches drones that are produced for the Department of Defense. What they are is germanium detector carriers, right? It's basically a radiation detection system. Now, it's really complex, so it has to be very large and it has to have very intense cooling. So the drones are much larger than a normal DJI drone or something like that. But the point of them is
8 by 10 feet.
Huh?
8 by 10 feet.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
SUV sized, as they were saying. But the point is,
But what about the report? Because there was a report that these drones also appeared in an air base. Right? What about that? And then they were confused. I guess it's just like the same interdepartmental non-communication situation.
It's
Okay.
also possibly so. There's a no-fly or a notice to airmen across that area, but it was only put in place days after the drone sightings.
Oh.
Right? So that's neither here nor there. There is a military testing site right there in New Jersey called the Picatinny Arsenal. Gun nuts will have no of it because the Picatinny rail, as they call it, that's where it's named after. But basically, the system that they're developing is they have the DoD has ordered hundreds of thousands of these drones because if someone decides to infiltrate a nuclear bomb into the US, like a dirty bomb, right? You can't detect that through conventional means, right? You literally have to have thousands of people on the street with radiation detectors walking around. So what they built is a system where you have swarms of drones that are flying relatively low and using these high-tech germanium radiation detectors to detect gamma rays. So it's basically nuclear, like a mesh nuclear bomb detection system.
Yeah, and I
it's
guess
likely
like,
that's what they're testing because they have ordered this. I found proof of this. The DoD has ordered hundreds of thousands of those drones.
okay, so this is like as good as an educated guess would get in terms of speculation, but there's no official statement from the Defense Department. So then that's probably what's feeding the fucking conspiratorial whatever.
And as we all know, the US government, that's the best part about the US government. They say the left hand doesn't know what the right hand is doing.
Yes.
Bro, the brain doesn't know what the
One of the
sticker is
pink, one of
doing.
the stink, dude.
No part of it knows what the other part is doing. That's why the New Jersey legislature and all are just like, what the fuck's going on? Tell us. Why won't the government tell us? People like, you're the government.
Wasn't there a governor who also went out with the cops and he was looking at the drones or some shit like that? कि अरे भाई ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे state पे वगैरह. New
Yeah,
Jersey
that's
था
the
कि?
beauty of it, right? Because it's DOD.
Yeah.
Local cops have no authority over it whatsoever. So they can ask as much as they
Yeah.
want. And also,
No,
all-
I mean like it's a matter of whether the governor has any connections in the intelligence committee and all of that, right? No, yeah. So that's
where the governor's leaned on that.
exactly.
But
Yeah.
also the airspace is none of the state police forces have any real jurisdiction over airspace. That's all FAA and federal. So the thing is, if it was actually a foreign drones posing like with a threat to the US, you would see a huge federal response. The fact that there isn't basically means it's not really like it's not Iranian drones coming to like suicide bomb into fucking also New Jersey. Who gives a shit what's in New Jersey, man?
It's aliens. I say it's fucking
Aliens,
aliens
yeah.
from
Aliens hai.
they're from Zygon, Zyglord, and the Anunnakis have come back to reclaim their slave population.
Arunachalis. The Arunachalis are. I know China's. Listen, I know China is taking away quite a bit of their land, but the Arunachalis still have their home quite secure.
So the Arunachalis are living off the government state. Okay, that whole state is subsidized.
Vidur is saying that the Arunachalis are living off the government state.
Which
But
the Chinese government.
if Draupadi Murmu is on board, I don't. Why am I supposed to give a fuck?
Correct.
If there was supposed to be, if there had to be one governmental tit, I would imagine it would be the president's.
Who knows, man? You
Who
never
are-
know. You know the old adage. They always say you never know who's really lactating.
Especially in government with so much
Correct.
secrecy involved.
So
Correct.
who's slipping them? Who's slipping faces into their cleavage? Who's doing it?
Yeah.
You don't know.
Yeah.
You're just assuming
Yeah.
as the president.
Right.
That's the obvious guess. What if it's the prime minister?
On that note, goodbye.
Happy lactation.